Hello everyone, welcome to the session. After installing SSMS, we need to install SQL Server database engine. For that, you need to download the SQL Server 2022. Click on SQL Server downloads, go to the developer version and click on download now. Once you download, so you'll get the exe for it. Double click it and follow the instructions. At the end of the installation, once the installation is complete, you need to copy the connection string in order to connect to the server. So in my case it is localhost server name, so click on localhost and try to connect it. So this is how you can connect from SSMS to SQL Server. Thank you. Please subscribe.